Hey guys, Coach Ray here, and today I'm going to be showing you a real simple stretch that you can use to relieve that hip flexor pain that might have been hanging around in your psoas after a long day of work or class or sitting down in general. I'm going to show you a stretch that's going to help to relieve that, so let's get right into it.
Start by engaging your glutes and rolling your shoulders back and down. Especially for those with anterior pelvic tilt, engaging the glutes and lower abs is essential for targeting the psoas specifically. Start by positioning one foot far in front of the other in a lunge position. Gently shift your hips forward into a lunge until your front knee is just above your front heel, while keeping your hips square. You can do this by keeping your lower abs engaged as well as that same gluteal contraction and not allowing one hip to slide further down than the other. Only go to your comfort level as you start to feel that psoas stretch in your back hip. We want to be careful not to be leaning forward in this position. Keeping an upright posture as well as an upright knee to heel ratio will keep us in a nice position to be able to target that stretch best without risking injury or joint jam to another part of our body. You can adjust the position and angle of your bottom foot here to find the exact sweet spot where you feel that stretch the most. And when you find it, make sure to pause there and take some intentional inhalations and exhalations. To get a deeper stretch, bring your arms up in the shape of a football post. We don't want to lift our arms straight up because we don't want to pinch the supraspinatus muscle, the muscle just under the deltoid that helps us lift these arms in the first place. Instead, find your balance here, and once you have, gently twist to the side of your front leg. When we change to this position, we want to make sure our hips are still square to the ground and parallel, and we do this by keeping that same gluteal contraction and engaging our lower abs. That way, our torso can shift to get that deeper stretch in our psoas without re-establishing or encouraging anterior pelvic tilt. Breathe here for about 30 to 60 seconds and then make sure to get both sides.
For more on how to relieve pain and improve your posture, go ahead and check out one of the videos I've got for you right here, and make sure to hit that subscribe and notification icon so you don't miss an upload when we put one out. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any time. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Coach Ray, and I'll see you on the next one.